we thought it was a good idea to look into some options for virtual assistants. So yeah, we reached out to a few companies, Remote Leverage obviously being one of them, and it was just very clear that Remote Leverage out of the rest of the pool of competitors, you guys, I just felt more comfortable coming off of like that sales call in terms of like where you get your talent from, how you do your background checks, how you vet for them. And it just seemed like you would really be supporting us through this process that, we've never really done before and wasn't really familiar for us. So yeah, that's essentially why we decided to go with Remote Leverage. We've only had a few calls with you, but we already are getting a good feeling and we feel like we trust your judgment and your talent, and what you're promising us is what will be delivered. And we're like, all right, let's just give this a shot. Why not? Let's meet the talent. We decided to move forward, and the hiring process was great. And also something to also point out is that, we're obviously looking to move quickly. And, Torin, once I was put in touch with Torin, he was very communicative throughout the process. When he said he would send over something, he did. When he said he would communicate, he did, which I really appreciate. He followed up. Yeah, we got a list of 6 potential assistants. It was relieving that, we had a good feeling. We thought that you guys would deliver, and even when it wasn't what we expected, you made up for it in the end as well. So yeah, I have to say, like, it was all really seamless. All of your talent seemed great. The interviews were awesome. It was just one definitely stood out more to us in terms of what we needed, and also, vibe check, personality check, making sure that, we're going to be able to work together. So yeah, it was really a great process. And, we're getting a VA because, we're overwhelmed and we need help. And it was just nice for, someone to like take care of the nitty-gritty, and us kind of just show up and, just make the decisions when we needed to make the decisions.